How to add image in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to add image on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto this button on the middle. Just right here, select it. Now to add the image or photo, tap onto plus button right here, select it, then scroll down and simply choose one photo and tap on to add. And now you can see you have simply added the photo just like this. Now you can simply edit the photo however you would like to edit it. And that's it. This is how you can add image in the Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.